Alright, so we got this crankshaft sensor, position sensor. Ordered it by taking the part number off and looking it up by part number. Then I looked at what it looked like to make sure it looked the same. And then when we got it, we compared it again. So I'm going to take it out of this and put oil on that rubber seal there and then put it in. Alright, so I end up using 2 extensions, fairly long, probably 12 inches to get out past the wheel well. And right above the starter, which you can't really see, but directly above the starter there's a hole with where it went in, and then a bolt hole for it. Had to line up the flange, and couldn't show you guys because my big hand gets in there. You can't see anything. I couldn't see anything. How could I do a video? So anyway, now I'm gonna put the starter back in because I took it out thinking, well, I had to take the starter out to get enough so I could go above the starter. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to put that thing in. But you don't have to pull the dipstick out. You don't have to pull the starter all the way out. You can go right over the top of the tire, right through the underneath the exhaust and over top of the starter that's pushed down. Now I got to put the wire onto that sensor and then put the starter up.